He used to think that Kezia is behaving rebelliously, so he thought that she should be taught a good lesson, and that is why he used to ask grandmother for teaching her good manners. Okay, and whenever her father used to yawn, he opened his wide mouth, and his hands and neck was so big, and he looked like a giant, and that is why Kezia was afraid of him. Grandmother was very much familiar with this kind of scenario, and she knew that Kezia is scared of her father. So on Sunday afternoons, what did her grandmother do? She used to send her to the drawing room. Why? For having a good chit chat talk with father and mother. But as you can see in the picture, Kezia found on Sunday afternoons her father used to sleep over there on the couch, and mother was always engrossed in reading. And Kezia used to sit on the stool without uttering a single word. And then the things used to go like that only. And she always behaved introvert. Nobody spoke every time. Now, grandmother thought of a plan so that Kezia could spend some more time with her father. Now, grandmother told that Kezia next week, in the upcoming week, it will be your father's birthday. So, why don't you plan a good gift for him, a surprise gift? And she said that you can stitch the pin cushions for your father. Now Kezia readily accepted this thing, and on the table bed she discovered many sheets of fine paper for stuffing the pincushion. She was stitching the pincushion with the use of yellow silk cloth. Okay, and she went to her mother's room and she took great sheets of fine paper, many sheets of fine paper, gathered them, and then she tore them into tiny pieces. Why? For stuffing her pincushion case. And then she sewed up the fourth side. Now at the night there was a hue and cry. Everybody was looking and searching for something. The servants were being questioned, the cook was being questioned. Father had missed some of his important official papers. Okay, now mother came to Kezia's room and then she said, Kezia, did you see any papers? Did you take some papers on my table? From my table? She said, yes, I tore them for the surprise. Now mother was screaming. She said, wait. Then she told everything about the father, that it was Kezia who took your sheets. Now father was literally very angry, and as usual Kezia was stuttering. Alright, then she got a good scolding, and then she went to her own room. She was crying too much to explain, and she was laying over there and watching the evening light. Then, what happened? All of a sudden, her father came with a ruler into her room, and he said, you will be going a good beating from me for misbehaving like this. She said, oh no, no, and she was screaming, but then also she got a good beating with a ruler on her palms. Okay, and father told that this would be a lesson for you for not touching the things of other people from the next time. Okay, now Kezia was sobbing and she was sitting with her grandmother on a rocking chair.